Hey friends, if you wish to fix disk cleanup not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK. Select delete files and delete the disk cleanup uh, files. So if this is not working, then what can you do in this case? So as a workaround, first of all, press Windows plus R to open the run window and type temp temp and hit enter. Now select all the temporary files, hit delete and cancel it. This way you will be able to delete these files. Then press the Windows key in the R key, type %temp percentage and hit enter. Now select and delete the files and done. And then the last one will be to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab and click on download and install or check for updates, whatever option you get here to update Windows to the latest version. And one more thing that I usually do while cleaning up the disk is that I go to the downloads folder and I will delete all the unnecessary files. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.